Sweet corn. We're in Mackey's. Oh, it's my birthday. We're about to go to Thorpe Park. Right, so just what's your thoughts on our period?
Who in their right mind would make that? I want to go on Hyperion! We're on the bridge. We are it's very cool. So I'm very scared.
It's my birthday.
You said that already. We're in the dome.
Come to dome.
In the dome.
Hey, hopefully I can buy a new t-shirt with this money.
Dome. No.
Right, we're queuing up for Swarm. First ride of the day, Swarm. It says 20 minutes, but it's got no queue. Following Burnt Toast, and Burnt Toast leading the way.
My hair's bad. What are you doing, Burnt Toast?
I'm a sausage dog.
We're on Swarm Island now. First ride of the day, Swarm.
Quite obvious to me that the authorities know more than they are letting on. We the public deserve to
I know, should we play games? We all do like footballer shoots, right? You know, like going to the stadium, we all go like. Looking forward to it. Trumpet man!
Trumpet man!
See you when we get off. See you when we get off.
I just got off of Swarm.
Honestly, that was really good. Burnt Toast! What did you think of it? Oh, he's done off. What did you think of it?
Amazing. Amazing. Okay. I think that's the best ride in the UK
Is that your first time
so
on it?
far. Yeah. This is a new launchpad area. No one's in it. It's pretty quiet though. No one's in it.
Me and Crumpet Boy are going in and going on the bridge.
I missed it! When you've got something
Upset stomach.
diarrhea!
Ah!
Yeah!
Sing it when you have nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach. Sing it!
Sing what?
Sing it!
When you have
Alright, remember keeping Nemesis Inferno.
upset stomach. Wait, water test.
How good's Aldi's water?
Let's test it. Choke. Million out of 10. Better than Diet Coke.
Right, we just got off Nemesis Inferno.
It was rough, but I felt rougher. The first few turns were quite smooth, but then after that 0G roll, it's got quite rough.
I've got a bit of a headache after, but I think a bit of lunch might cheer me up.
That was hard.
Was it not good?
No.
Did you not like it? Was it worth the wait?
No.
Hey, guess what? It's my birthday. How was your ride on Stealth?
I didn't go on it.
Why not?
Because
How was your ride on Stealth?
good.
How's your ride on Stealth?
Amazing.
Right, so us three, we're gonna do Quantum. But Burnt Toast has gone to do Walking Dead. Hopefully he's shows you some footage and videos of it, but probably not knowing him because he don't really like being on YouTube, does he? Crumpet boy, this way! He's run off. Oh, okay.
What? I'm very sure. Do I look stupid to you?
Oh, he's got his phone out.
Oh, shut yourself.
Oh, lovely.
Good. Sit.
It's a strawberry. Oh, he's got his phone out. Oh, lovely.
Good. Sit.
I'm waiting for me dinner.
Of course you wanted to come KFC. We're going on Ghost Train.
Yay.
I don't know what to expect of it because
Apparently it's meant to be scary.
I'm not sure if it's going to be good, if it's going to be bad, because I've never been on anything like it before.
Us and Burnt Toast are going on it.
Yeah,
Crumpet was
scared. We went on Stealth.
Yeah, you didn't.
I know.
What the polls was said was that I'm not open today.
Never sold us to take babies.
No, the polls have gone on the yeah.
It's just really small.
We just got off.
Boot.
I don't think we're in Birmingham.
I think we got on the wrong train.
Yeah. I think we're supposed to get on, I don't know, supposed to get on some train. We got on Ghost Train. It was actually really good. Yeah, that pretty much sums it all up.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we're about to go on now. Wow. Oh gosh. Like, whoever made Hyperia is sick in their head. I don't think that's very good. Stuck on saw.
filming myself, dumbass. We got front row on my birthday.
We just got front row in Hyperia.
Oh, honestly, right, that was the best ride I ever had on Hyperia.
Oh, it's so
And
fun.
I've been on it a couple of
Oh,
times.
that is amazing.
I've been on it a couple of times.
Yeah.
And I tell you, that was the best ride on the
Oh.
There we are.
Proof.
Front row.
Front row.
First.
How cute is
And it's like the foreign movements of the yeah.
exciting.
You're gonna die, But, I've just got off Silver Ride. How was that?
My balls hurt.
I thought it was good rubber. Did you like it?
It's alright. Yeah.
Is that it now then?
I mean, we could go for a round on Inferno.
I think we're gonna end the vlog here, guys.
Yeah.
If you like this video, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to 3 Robux. All 3 Robux.
It's my birthday.
What now?
Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
I'll see you in the next one.
Goodbye.